مقدم. Sir.
Thank you very much, Ranga. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm extremely thankful for your esteemed presence. I would like to welcome you on behalf of Ruth's parents to this exhibition, which is not a conventional, regular exhibition of the display of skill or whatever. As an artist, I believe that art and culture has the capacity or power to encourage the individual towards an engagement which is very, very intimate with his or her society or surroundings or country or beloved or house or whatever. This very intimate engagement or relationship is a unique relationship by virtue of it being creative and at the same time critical, which makes it a relationship which opens up windows and avenues for an individual to conquer and to evolve. When an individual is engaged intimately with his or her surrounding, that intimacy informs the individual about the past, about the present, and about the possibilities of the subject or the place, the country, or the being that the individual wants to be related to. So in process you become very informed, extremely informed about the land that you are part of, that you were born on. You become intimately informed about its seasons, about its colors, about its moods, about its history, heritage, and everything. And you at the same time are capable of imagining, understanding the potential of this place. So it's an engagement that informs you. Bacha Khan, the great leader, once said in Pashto, that's that awareness is light. And it's so true, because when you become aware and intimately informed, then you gradually evolve into a better human being by shedding all your fears, insecurities, and engaging with life with a purpose. You stop being stingy, you stop being insecure, you stop being interested in hoarding, and you become interested in sharing. You become brave, you become productive, and you start understanding the meaning or purpose of life. And when you get intimately informed, then you become brave enough to say to the monster or bala or whatever on his or her face that you are a bala, you are a monster. You become aware, you become productive, and you start sharing. And you end up becoming an informed decision maker. That, I think, is the purpose of art, which is why people like myself and so many others are engaged in this activity called art. Art to me is a celebration of life in every respect, whether it's your aspirations, your struggles, your fears, your nightmares, your happiness, your achievements. Art encircles everything. And art is something that enables you to become engaged meaningfully with life and with your society, thereby encouraging you to become a productive being in the society. In my opinion, informed decision making is the most important thing in life, the most important achievement in life, and art can help you achieve that. When we become informed decision makers, then we take decisions that are for the benefit of everybody, and that is respectful of life itself. When you become informed decision maker, you start altering your surroundings for better. You are trying to make your surroundings, you're trying to turn your surroundings into a place which is more beautiful and far better to live in. So, in my opinion, Noor, who we are celebrating tonight, was one such individual who understood life, who could see through things, who was interested in the beauty of life, who thought life should be respected. And this person started scribbling. She started making images. She drew, she wrote, and this person was interested in life in many, many layers, because she was not only a bright young woman who was interested in image making, but she was also interested in theatre. She was also interested in music. She was interested in philanthropy. She was able to, give a lot of her lifetime to charitable endeavors. And this person, when she drew these images seemed extremely soulful, although she was not a trained artist. But art is not always about skill. It is about communicating your intent about life. So she communicated her intent about life very, very sincerely, very honestly, and without any fear. When these images were shown to me by Shaukat Saab and his daughter Mariam and Rabia, and they asked me to curate this exhibition, I was more than happy to do so. So this is an exhibition which is not conventional at all. It is not about the display of skill. It is about Noor herself. And I just hope that when you walk through the exhibition, you will be able to understand Noor from various diverse angles and levels. And I hope that these images will talk to you. And these images will be conversing things with you which Noor wanted to express or say through these images. I'm thankful to Shaukat Saab, his family, his wife, his daughter, Mariam and Rabia, for giving me this opportunity, which is very, very sacred for me. And I'm thankful that I was able to curate this exhibition. I hope you enjoy the exhibition.